Verum socket chisels are available individually or as a set of 6. Individually, they come from a 4mm, 6mm, 10mm, 13, 16, 19 or 25. The set of 6 has the core sizes, with the 4mm being an optional extra. They come in individual boxes and they come with a chisel guard. If you wanted to upgrade those to an AUK silicone chisel guard, even better still. You'll find these will really grip on the chisel and stay on there long term to keep them in tip-top condition. The chisels all have a Bubinga turned handle with a taper that goes into the cone of the socket chisel. This design of chisel is based off the old Stanley 750 socket chisels, renowned for their quality and for their strength. As you're hitting the chisel, the handle is driving into the socket, and that power is really being driven through the steel down to the blade. Lots and lots of steel in here, so plenty of strength, but bevel tapered edges which come down to very fine lands or edges to the chisel. They are 0.7 of a millimetre, which means we can get really tight into dovetails and doing delicate work, but also got plenty of strength in there for our general bench work. The backs come in very good condition. I've just done a little bit of work on this to improve them on my scary sharpening. I've also done a little bit of grinding work just so I know exactly what is being ground at angle wise, and I've sharpened up. It is now really sharp and ready to go. The design of the chisels are the same across the board, and even the 4mm chisel is relatively strong for a small chisel. I'll be very careful, slight taps with the mallet on this, but you can use it for doing your delicate fine dovetail work, and again a good angle for getting into those tight corners. If you'd like to buy the Verum socket chisels individually or in the sets, look at us at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Follow us on our Instagram, Facebook and on our YouTube.